Did I just start a business overnight? Oh my gosh, you guys, 2023 is gonna be transformative in home decor. I will be customizing home decor to the next level. There's no turning back now. You see, being a YouTube creator does come with some perks. And I don't normally take advantage of these perks until now. Imagine a machine that could take your decor next level. And I mean next level. Imagine a machine that can cut, engrave, laser, monogram things. When all is said and done, this is truly a business in a box. Let me introduce you to the Xtool M1 Pro. For all you DIYers, crafters, woodworkers, boy, are you in for a treat. This thing is a beast. This thing does it all. Xtool was kind enough to provide me this wonderful tool. The review is mine and mine alone. But sneak peek, I am going places with this tool. Xtool was kind enough to also send me the pre-release for their riser base that goes with the M1. So I am so excited. So basically guys, this is like a Cricut laser cutter engraver in one. There's really nothing else out there on the market that I'm aware of that compares to this beast of a machine. They also included a rotary cutter so that I could engrave tumblers, glasses, mugs. I mean, this is so exciting. So first impressions, we had this thing unboxed and set up within 60 minutes. We had to download their software from their website and then hook up the USB cable and we were connected. There's a slight learning curve, but I mean, if I can do it, anybody can. And the possibilities with this tool are endless. I can literally customize all my Christmas presents and make them super, super special. So that is amazing. And what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and you can buy inexpensive items, you know, pre-made, or go down the unfinished section where they've got wood pieces that you can customize yourself. And we're gonna go pick out some items. We're gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you what this machine is capable of doing. It's gonna blow your mind. You can literally run a business with this machine and sell items from your home. If you have an Etsy store, you could sell them there. If you had, I mean, I'm blown. Like, there are so many possibilities that the wheels are turning. I had to do a change of plans today because this is just too exciting. All right, let's go. I just got home from Hobby Lobby. I'm in the garage. We did our setup out here. It's a little chilly, but I found this cutting board for 50% off today. And I thought to myself, I want to engrave something on here that I could set in the kitchen on a stand or on a shelf with a very special meaning. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to show you how this works. On this cutting board, I want to engrave the beauty of Christmas is not in the presents, but in his presence. Matthew 1:23. That's what I want on here. Okay, so we're out here in the garage and this is sort of our little setup right here. We're gonna import the image into the software first. should mention, I went into PicMonkey. I chose the text fonts I wanted and kind of played with an arrangement. I downloaded it and then sent it to the software. And now we can begin. Okay, so here's the M1, and this is the wonderful riser they sent me. And the riser is fabulous because it allows you to adjust the height of the material you're using. So I'm gonna drop the honeycomb base down and slide it in. So what we do is we use these little pieces of cardboard to adjust and get it just to the right height. So I placed the cardboard down, and now I'm gonna place the cutting board on top of it to test it out. So we need to adjust it and get it up just a tad higher. So when I shut the top, it's gonna take a picture of the cutting board placement, and then that will allow me to play with my image and get it centered just perfectly. So now what I can do is play with the size and placement on the computer screen before we start the engraving process. So in their software, you can choose the material right here on the side, and it automatically gives you the right setting. Okay, ready to process. Okay, now that it's framed, we're gonna hit start, and we are ready to rock and roll. Now we need to go over here and push the button. Okay, I stepped inside for a second while that's engraving. And I wanted to show you a few of the items we created as we were getting to know the machine. So I went around my house and I found some signs that I liked. And I wanted to see if I could dupe them in smaller scale to sort of test out the machine and get to know it well before I started doing bigger items. And this is what we started out with. So this is one of my favorite farmhouse signs that I found on Amazon. And what I love most about it is how intricate the top of it is. It just really looks different. It makes the sign stand out compared to most on the market. So I wanted to try to replicate that first, obviously much smaller in scale, to see what the capabilities of that machine are. Instead of it saying farmhouse, I wanted it to say Christmas because Christmas is coming up. This is the first sign I created, but look at the detail right here. This is walnut, and then the letters that were individually cut out are basswood. And I think it's so cute. I could put this in a plate holder and set it beside, you know, some decor for Christmas. I think it's adorable. But seriously, look at the detail at the top. It literally mimics that sign over there. Again, obviously in much smaller scale. Now I could leave it like this, or I can paint it. You know, I could paint the letters and just paint the whole thing. So the next sign says holiday cheer, and we put it on acrylic with basswood, and it turned out really cute. It's different. And again, you could set this in a plate holder and you could put some greenery around it. But again, how cool is it that that machine did this? And you can see once you start playing, your items just get better and better and better. So look at this one I made this morning. It says home for the holidays. And this was just a cutting board I had laying around. I wasn't using it. And I thought, I want something in the kitchen that says home for the holidays. And I think this is adorable. Even if you guys have cutting boards, you can customize it and give these out as gifts. Okay, so while we're waiting, I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is there's a sale going on for the next 2 days till November 1st. That was the bad news. It's only going on till November 1st. So I will have everything linked in the description box below. You can purchase directly from the company or you can purchase from Amazon, so either works. So if you know a DIYer, a crafter, somebody that's into woodworking, someone that has a business, or if you want to start a business using this wonderful tool, jump on it and look at it as an investment in your future. I mean, this machine will seriously pay for itself because you can take home decor items that you already have laying around the house that you're kind of like bored of, and you can elevate the look of it by doing a monogram, doing a, simple fonts and sayings. You can do pictures. You can engrave your family's faces on things like ornaments. And we're doing ornaments as well. So like sky's the limit. And you guys, I have a feeling that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I cannot wait to see where I go with my home decor in 2023 because this is just going to revolutionize all the knickknacks I have. I can literally customize them, personalize them, give them to friends, give them to family. But seriously, this is adorable. And if you wanted to give this as a gift, you could run to Hobby Lobby and get some beautiful Christmas picks with some pine and some holly, and tie a ribbon right here and have the pine and the holly coming off the sides. And then you can place it in a beautiful plate stand or a little easel. What a wonderful gift that would be. Home for the holidays. Again, the possibilities are endless. I literally just made this ornament for my daughter for Christmas out of basswood. I wanted something neutral and farmhousey for her, so I got some beads, put it on some jute, and wanted to give it a 3-dimensional look. So this is engraved, and then right here, it cut the letters out, and then I just glued them on, and I kind of made that look like shiplap in the back. You can get really creative. You can actually paint an ornament or a circle or whatever you want, and then have it engraved, put the letters on. You can paint the letters. I mean, you can get as creative as you want. Took 10-15 minutes and I was done. My husband took such an interest in this tool that he has decided to sort of create a beautiful multi-layered nativity ornament that will adorn our tree this year. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming up. His little engineer mind went crazy, and it is like multi-layered, and it looks so cool. I was like, I don't know how you're going to throw that together, but he does, and he's working on that. And here's the real fun thing. You know all those Amazon boxes we all get? Save them. Don't throw them away, because you can actually take cardboard, make your prototypes out of the cardboard, and you will be surprised how good they turn out even on cardboard. And you can do a multitude of things with them that way. So save them. I want to show you an example of how easy this is, because once you get your images loaded, I mean, piece of cake, easy peasy. If I can do it, anybody can. This was a mock-up on cardboard, and you can see all the little letters. It engraved, it engraved holiday cheer. There are all the letters, and this was the design. And this is all out of cardboard, you guys. Well, gosh darn it, I just went outside to see how the engraving was coming along on that really cute cutting board. And because I'm so short, I was trying to look over, and I accidentally bumped the cutting board. So anyway, because I bumped it, I won't be able to throw that into the video. I'm sorry, you guys. I can't believe I did that. But anyway, I fixed it while I was editing this video. I redid it, and this is how it turned out. I love it. I want to give a huge thank you to Xtool for sending me the M1 and the riser. Thank you so much. And I worked with somebody named Heidi. And Heidi, thank you so much. You've been a pleasure to work with. I love the materials. I love the product. And this is my honest review. It is amazing. So, I mean, where this machine can take my decor in 2023 is going to be amazing. I can't even fathom all the fun things I'm going to be able to do with this machine. So I just want to thank you, Heidi. Thank you so much for everything. I am thrilled. And my honest review is this is one amazing product. It's literally a business in a box. So as I design and develop some new decor, I will be sharing it with you guys. And if they turn out super, super good, I'm going to be showing you how, like, I'll show you a brief tutorial on how I created it. So if any of you want to jump on the bandwagon with me and get this product, we can all kind of tap into one another. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know it was very different. I'm tapping into my DIY crafting soul, and I'm going to try to create some amazing products. All right, you guys, I will see you next week for loads of Christmas decorating. Wait till you see what I am going to do next week. I already played with something yesterday, and now I'm happy. So I think you guys will be happy too. I'll see you then. Mwah! Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.